Hi class, this is Miss Johnson, or Julie. You can call me Julie, it's fine. I just wanted to go over a few things for EDU 332. I know it's been kind of a slow start for this course. I kind of designed that purposefully because I know for me as a student the first couple of weeks of class are kind of hard to get acclimated, trying to get everything planned out for the rest of the semester. But here we are. We've got 3 weeks underneath us now, and we have 13 weeks ahead of us, and we are here for our first test. So I just wanted to make sure that everybody is aware of what that will entail. So let me get down here to test 1. This is very text-based oriented. So it's everything that you learned in chapters 1 through 4. I changed the due date to Tuesday instead of Sunday, just since I just now put it up. There's the exam there. So let's see. Here are the instructions for the exam. I'm just going to go over them really quickly. I know you can read, but I have fielded a lot of questions just for clarity's sake. This question right here needs to be answered by everyone. It's 40 points. It does not have to be a lesson plan, but rather an essay question, an essay answer. Then I want you to choose 2 from these, okay? So, and these are each worth 30 points. And that's up to you, whichever ones you feel the most confident in answering, you can use that. Like I said, Tuesday night, don't spend forever on this. I can really imagine it would be a maximum of 2 hours. Look at, I put a word count on there too. You know, that's just a page there. So please don't overdo it for your sake and mine. I think the questions can be answered efficiently without going too in depth. But having said that, it is your exam, so do your best and revise, okay? Edit, that sort of thing. So there's that. That's the instructions for the exam, test 1. And I promise you that I will have that graded and your critique answers from that graded by the end of the week. And I want to start thinking ahead a little bit as well. Nobody signed up for presentation round 2, so there will be no critiques for presentation round 2. So I took the points off, and it's just not going to happen for anybody. Okay, so that'll be kind of a nice little breather. You do have a discussion post for next week, though. Those are going really well, by the way. I looked at your group discussions, and I was really pleased with the level of discussion that you were posting. So that's very good. You do have your first field experience, and I'm going to open this up. Your first field experience is coming up soon, but it's mostly just a basic overview of where you are, what's going on in your class. Tell me who's in the class, what kind of experience you're having. You know, do you see a lot of literacy going on in the classroom? Just kind of give me a nice little overview for this first one. And I think you'll be easy peasy on that one. Don't need to worry about it too much. But that's due a week and a half, it looks like. So, like I said before, this course is designed to be kind of easy for you and kind of easy for me as well. My intention was to just turn the course on, and hopefully you guys would make your way through it without too much botheration from me. So, but I do understand that sometimes we all need a little bit of clarity. So that's what this little video is about here. And please feel free to reach out to me with questions. That's been going well, I think. As long as you email me or text me, I can get back to you with questions. And if more than a couple people ask me the same question, then I'm inclined to send out a group email. So I hope that's going okay. Anyway, I think the class so far is going very well, and hopefully you're finding it straightforward. So if you are having an issue with any of the material, then please, that's what your discussion posts are about, your group people. But if you cannot find, obviously, reach out to me if you can't find answers to your questions. So that's what I'm here for as well. So, but hopefully in a well-designed course, which I'm not saying this is, but I'm hoping you find that it is, that the discussions and the work that you do help underline the major themes to get you ready for the test, and then ultimately be able to fill your toolkit with strategies and things for the future. So anyway, just let me know if you have any more questions. It's fine. And if you see me on campus, you can call me Julie. So I'm actually taking classes as well, so you might see me on campus. So I'll talk to you later. Thank you.